Hello, my name is Nicolas Boyer. I'm 19 years old and I am studying physical readaptation at Cégep Montmorency. I'm doing right now my second semester of the program. In my program, we usually help people to regain their functionality to go back to their routine. Today we are going to use a website that's going to help me with my job as a physical readaptation therapist. This website will help when I receive an email from an English doctor who wants to send a client to our clinic, and I want to reply to him after with another email. Also, I will want to know how to pronounce some word when I will be with the client. The name of the website is the Virtual Writing Tutor. So just open a new tab and go at the address bar and write virtual writing tutor.com. So as you can see in the top left corner, there's the logo. At the top in the middle of the screen, there is the navigation menu. In the top right corner, there's some icon that you can share the website with other people. Just in the middle of the screen, there's some checkers button, and just above it, there's the text area that you can write on it. And in the bottom right corner of the screen, there's some example that you can use to write a text. There's a check spelling button. There's the speech recognition button that you can speak and they will write the text for you. And there's the text-to-speech button that will show how to pronounce the word correctly. And if you use the scroll bar, just at the bottom of the screen, you will see what is the virtual writing tutor and what is all about. Just right there. So, as I say, I will demonstrate you how to correct your text if you want to send back an email from a doctor who want to send you a client. Like thank you. So use check grammar to see what is your error. So as you can see, you have 4 words. Paragraph count 1. There's the error density. So as you can see, I write data instead of doctor that they will suggest, and that the feedback they say possible spelling mistake found, the error type, and that's pretty useful to if you want to email back the doctor who sent you a new client. And if you want to know how to pronounce some pathology words that are very difficult to pronounce, like this word, disc, just go at the speech button and click it to know how to pronounce it. So now you know how to say disc herniation. So thank you to listen at the screencast, and I will show you later. And that's it. Thank you for watching.